Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Choose the right truck repair shop, dealer or independent. When your truck breaks down, you want it fixed fast. Your truck is more than just a mode of transportation, it's your livelihood, your business, or simply a crucial tool for getting things done. Whether it's for personal use or commercial purposes, a truck that's out of commission can disrupt your life, causing delays and potentially even financial losses. In these stressful moments, your next decision is critical. Should you take your truck to a dealer repair shop or an independent repair shop? The decision can impact the speed, cost, and quality of the repair work done, as well as the long-term performance of your vehicle. There are clear differences between dealer and independent repair shops, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Understanding the differences, weighing the pros and cons, and considering your specific needs will help ensure you make the right choice for your truck. Let's explore the differences between the two types of shops, taking a closer look at what to expect from each, the factors to consider, and how to decide which option will work best for you. Dealer truck repair shops. Dealer repair shops, often operated by the manufacturer or its authorized representatives, are a go-to choice for many truck owners. These shops specialize in repairs and maintenance for specific truck brands and models. Whether you own a Ford, Freightliner, or Kenworth, dealer shops are typically authorized by the manufacturer to perform warranty work and use original equipment manufacturer, OEM, parts. Pros of dealer repair shops. One of the biggest advantages of going to a dealer repair shop is the level of specialization. Dealer technicians are factory trained and highly skilled, often receiving training directly from the manufacturer. This means that they have extensive knowledge of your truck's make and model and can tackle complex issues that might be beyond the scope of some independent shops. Dealer shops also have access to the latest diagnostic tools and proprietary software. With specialized equipment tailored to the manufacturer's specifications, these tools can help diagnose problems quickly and accurately, reducing the chance of missed issues or incorrect diagnoses. Another benefit of dealer repair shops is their use of OEM parts. These parts are made by the original manufacturer and are designed specifically for your vehicle. This ensures that replacements fit precisely and meet the high standards set by the manufacturer. If you're concerned about the longevity or performance of your truck, OEM parts provide an extra layer of confidence in the repairs. Furthermore, if your truck is under warranty, a dealer repair shop is often the best place to go. These shops can handle warranty claims, ensuring that your repairs are covered without you having to deal with the paperwork or any potential confusion. This process is typically streamlined and quicker at a dealer shop, giving you peace of mind. Lastly, dealer shops tend to offer a higher level of professionalism and consistency. They operate under a more formal structure, which can be beneficial if you're looking for a predictable experience with guaranteed quality control. Cons of dealer repair shops. While dealer repair shops come with several benefits, they aren't without their drawbacks. One of the most significant downsides is the cost. Dealer repair shops typically have higher labor rates and may charge more for parts, particularly when it comes to OEM components. This can add up quickly, especially if you're facing major repairs or need extensive work done on your truck. In addition to the higher costs, dealer shops sometimes come under fire for upselling. The pressure to sell additional services or parts can sometimes result in customers paying for repairs they don't need. Some customers have reported being offered services that seem unnecessary or excessively expensive, making the overall repair experience feel more like a sales pitch than a service visit. Dealer shops can also be less flexible with their hours and pricing. Most dealer repair shops operate within regular business hours, meaning that if your truck breaks down after hours, you may not be able to get it fixed immediately. Independent shops, on the other hand, may offer more flexibility in terms of working outside standard hours or providing emergency repairs. Additionally, dealer shops often have set pricing structures that are less likely to change or offer discounts, which can limit your ability to negotiate. Lastly, dealer repair shops may not offer the same level of personalized attention. Due to their larger scale, dealer shops tend to serve a high volume of customers, meaning that your truck may not get the same one-on-one attention you would get at an independent shop. Some customers find that dealer technicians might not take the time to explain the issues or offer detailed advice. Independent truck repair shops. Independent truck repair shops are owned and operated by individuals or small businesses rather than the manufacturer. They are often more flexible, with a variety of services and repairs available for all types of vehicles, regardless of make or model. Whether you're driving a work truck, a fleet vehicle, or a personal truck, independent shops provide a range of solutions and customizations. That's it for part 1. We've covered the basics of both dealer and independent shops, but stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dig deeper into the costs, quality of service, and what to consider when making your choice. You won't want to miss it. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.